You know, there's an old adage in the shop that you can never have too many clamps. And I think you'll find that especially true if you've ever started working on a set of drawers that has, a dozen or so drawers in it. You quickly eat up most of the clamps in your shop. But did you know that there's a way that you can actually use something like Titebond Instant Bond to temporarily clamp parts in place as your Titebond original is curing? Let me show you how. So here I have a drawer, and these are locking rabbets, and once the joints are together, they're kind of registered in place, but we just need something to hold it, and all my clamps are taken up with the rest of the drawers in this set. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a bead of Titebond original right down the center of these grooves and dados. And then on the very ends, I'm going to apply a dab of Instant Bond gel. That Instant Bond gel is going to act like a clamp and hold the parts together. But there's one other part to this puzzle, and that's going to be the accelerator. So on the mating part, I'm going to spray a little bit of that accelerator right where those two pieces of Instant Bond gel are going to be. And then I'm going to hold the parts together just for a couple of seconds. The accelerator is going to set the gel, and it's going to hold those parts together as Titebond original dries.